Dust Bunnies Cleaning and Handyman Service, 775-209-2733.
In this week's court report, former Nye County Officer Richard Jason Deutsch, who was found guilty of the domestic battery charge he was facing connected to a reported fight with his ex-girlfriend, now has one of his 2 justice court cases closed, and the other is now listed as adjudicated. But there is drama surrounding his now dual representation. In that case, in which Deutsch was charged with domestic battery, 2 counts of disturbing the peace, and injury to other property less than $25, Deutsch now has a status hearing set for February 24th, 2020. During his motion hearing in that case on Monday, there was a lot of back and forth about Deutsch's attorney. A new counselor, Attorney Aldrich, briefed the record that he had filed a notice of appearance with the court. The court explained that without a substitution or documentation establishing a co-counsel position, the court does not recognize Attorney Aldrich as attorney of record for the defendant. Attorney Melissa Berry, who has been Deutsch's retained attorney, explained that her office does not allow co-counsel representation of clients. Then Attorney Berry explained to the court that if Attorney Aldrich's motion is denied, Attorney Aldrich will withdraw as counsel for the defendant. However, if the court grants Attorney Aldrich's motion, Attorney Berry will withdraw as attorney of record for the defendant. Prosecuting Attorney Patrick Ferguson told the court that he had no opposition to the defendant having 2 attorneys. The court decided that it will allow both attorneys to appear for the defendant. Attorney Aldrich then motioned for a jury trial. Attorney Ferguson opposed. After hearing arguments from both sides, the court denied the motion for a jury trial. Additionally, in Deutsch's now closed case, in which he was charged with injure or tamper with vehicle damage $250 to $5,000, and another count of injury to other property, his scheduled status hearing was vacated after an order of dismissal was signed and filed with copies returned to the DA's office, and a restitution letter was mailed to the victim. Notably, Deutsch was found not guilty of the 2 separate counts of disturbing the peace he was originally facing in one of his cases. However, since Deutsch has been convicted of domestic battery and his appeal of that conviction has now been denied, under Nevada and federal law, he cannot carry a firearm, which prevents him from fulfilling his job duties as an officer and a member of the military. This has been your court report. I'm Eunette Gentry for News 25.